Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update MongoDB indexes in Atlas safely step by step clearly.
Begin by accessing your MongoDB Atlas account.
Navigate to the project that contains your desired cluster. Select the cluster where you want to update the indexes. Click on the Collections tab to view your database collections. Select the database of interest from the list of available databases. Choose the specific collection that requires index updates. Review the existing indexes by clicking on the Indexes tab. Take note of the current indexes and determine which need to be updated or removed. To create a new index, click on the Create Index button.
Define the index fields according to your query patterns. Select the appropriate index type, such as single field or compound indexes.
If necessary, adjust the index options, including unique constraints or partial filters.
Once the index settings are complete, click on the Create button.
Verify that the new index appears in the list of existing indexes.
To drop an index that is no longer needed, select it from the list. Click the delete icon next to the index you want to remove. Confirm the deletion to safely drop the index from the collection. Monitor your application's performance after making index changes. Consider running your queries again to assess any improvements or changes. Be ready to make further adjustments based on your application's evolving needs.
Always back up your data before making significant changes to indexes in production. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.